Let's talk about adaptations. So let's first take a look at some video of penguins. These penguins are over at the animal aquarium. So on one of my visits with my children, I took a short video of these penguins. And I think we've all seen penguins at one point or another. And we've seen probably videos, or we've seen shows, or we've seen in person that penguins, they live in the Antarctic region, and they survive by fishing. So they're aquatic birds. And penguins, if you look at them, I mean, their body is adapted for swimming in water. You can see how they have the body shape is adaptation that allow them to swim in water. If you look at their body, the body is also designed because it has small appendages to conserve heat. But another adaptation you may not have thought about is the fact that, well, they swim in salt water and they eat fish that live in salt water. So they swallow a lot of salt water. As we know, salt is not good to consume in large quantities. So how do penguins survive if they're drinking all this salt water? Well, they have these glands. They're located near the eyes. They're called supraorbital gland, and it filters salt from the blood. And if you look closely, sometimes you actually can see salt oozing from the gland around their eyes. And so this is happening to remove the excess salt, and that's why they can continue to eat as many fish as they want and swim in salt water, but the salt doesn't bother them because they're constantly getting rid of salt. And this is not unique to penguins. A lot of aquatic birds that live in the ocean, so I spend a lot of time eating fish in the ocean. They also have this gland as well to get rid of excess salt. All right, thank you.